Hello homeschoolers! Welcome to Homeschooling V and Z. This is Kat, and for this video, I'm going to share with you the materials that we are going to use for this summer. So officially, done na kami sa homeschool year namin. Done na rin ako. Tapos na ako sa pag-complete ng grades ng aking grade 3 student. So usually, pag summer break, si Kuya, nag-a-attend siya ng mga special classes, like yung katulad ng sa Macdo Kiddie Crew, or sports, or music class. Pero since dahil nagka-community quarantine tayo ngayon, wala muna ganun. So, sa bahay lang muna tayo. So here, I'm gonna share with you yung mga materials na gagamitin namin for this summer. These are just to help na mapaigliit pa, if not close, yung gaps, yung learning gaps ni Kuya at saka nung aking 4-year-old na magiging kinder na this coming June. Okay, so let's start first with the materials I'll be using with our 2-year-old. 2-year-old, nahilig siya sa shapes ngayon. So, yun ang pinagkakabalahan niya. So, ito ang gagamitin ko, yung flashcards na naku... Can we read? Later, mahal. This flashcard is from themeasuredmom.com. Libre lang to. So, I printed it out and then laminated it. Tapos, lagay ako ng ring para hindi siya madaling masira. Kasi dalawang bata yung gumagamit ito. So, he will identify the shape. Medyo yung madali lang for him. Like in square, circle, triangle. Familiar naman na siya sa mga shapes. So, ngayon gusto lang niya na nagre-review kung anong shape yung nakikita niya sa paligid niya. Other than the shapes, meron akong mga flashcards on alphabet and phonics. Gusto niya kasi minsan sinasabi niya, Mama, I want to study. So, kinukuha namin sa aming preschool kit. So, kung hindi nyo pa nakikita yung video ko na preschool kit, I'll leave the link sa description box. Nandito na rin. Dito sa taas. I'll leave the link there para natitignan ninyo kanila laman ng aming preschool kit. So, yun yung kinukuha ko pag yung mga sudden lessons for my 4-year-old and for my 2-year-old. Now, since dalawa sila, so, may makulit dito. Since dalawa sila na tinuturuan ko na maliit, isasama ko na lang itong si 2-year-old dun sa lessons ko sa aking 4-year-old. So, yung 4-year-old ko, I created an 8-week curriculum for her. So, ito yun. So, we officially started na yesterday for our 8-week curriculum summer program for Z. Alam naman na niya ang alphabet, well, phonics, yung the names of the letters. We're still working on that. So, itong curriculum that I made for her is to fill the gaps na in preparation for her kindergarten pagdating namin sa June. So, ang focus mainly nung aming lessons are on writing and phonics. So, yun siya. So, as you can see here, yung mga activities namin, marami kinuha ko from the curriculum of Sing, Spell, Read, and Write. And then, we have added activities coming from the Twinkler Girl Scout Handbook kasi she's a Twinkler. Registered na siya under the Girl Scouts of the Philippines. So today, bago ako nag-record, ang natutunan niya today is paano yung Girl Scout sign. So yun ang kanyang, yan ang kanyang inaral for today, paano gawin ng Girl Scout sign at kung kailan siya ginagamit. So kasama dun sa curriculum namin for the 8 weeks is itong sight words. Yan, this is for grade 1 pero I will be using a few pages lang for the sight words for her para hindi naman siya ma-overwhelm. Yung mga sulat na nga eh. Yan, so ilang words lang dyan. Next would be for Kuya, our incoming grade 4 student. So, tatapusin pa namin yung aming Wikahon A. So, di pa kami nakatapos ng Kamya selection. So, yun na tatapusin namin this summer. Yung Kamya selection. And then, if natapos namin to, we'll try to have another selection dun sa Wikahon A. And then, of course, kailangan meron siyang math drills kasi dun siya nahirapan last school year nung grade 3 sa math. So, we'll be working on some math drills ito yung workbook na bindi ko sa Big Bad Wolf book sale. So, ito, tapos meron kami mga flashcards on addition, subtraction, multiplication. Ano lang, para lang ma-refresh siya ng mga lessons, saka para hindi niya makalimutan, at syempre maano na rin siya, ma-enhance niya pa yung kanyang math skills. So, meron siyang fraction, may mga stickers. So, tuntua ako dito kasi may mga stickers. Matutuwa yung bata siya. And then, because he likes to write, I got him this writing skills workbook also from the recent Big Bad Wolf book sale sa World Trade Center noong February. So, he'll be working on his writing skills kasi gusto niya gumagawa ng mga stories. So, para mas gumaling pa siya sa pagsusulat, pagdating sa grammar, sa spelling, paano mag-ayos ng mga sentences and paragraphs. So, ito, pinuha ko to para sa kanya. So, I don't think we can finish the whole workbook this summer, pero at least nasimulan na namin siya. So, for academics, those are our activities for this summer. Walang labasan, so wala muna tayong sports. More on life skills muna tayo this summer. And I hope that everyone, you stay safe. I'm also posting our activities Instagram stories and Facebook stories. So, if you haven't followed me yet on Facebook, I leave the links sa description box, and na rin yung link ng Instagram para makapag-connect naman tayo at makita niyo yung aming daily activities. And yun muna for today. Okay, so thank you again for watching, and I hope that you all be safe and be healthy. Thank you. Bye!